COVID-19 often comes up in respect of how ANA and its members have been impacted by this global virus. The ANA Association has been operating in a virtual manner for some time already due to the existing framework of how we're organized. If I just use an example of our quarterly board meetings, we've not been able to meet in person since January of 2020. And this continues into 2021. So despite the time zones that the various board members are located, we've successfully continued to manage the business of the association in an effective manner through webinars, VTC, emails, phone calls, etc. The board and our overall ANA management team continue to focus on meeting our deliverables to the user community we serve. Working from home will be the new norm, and job flexibility will be factored into future work models. I envision travel will reduce, but video meetings will not replace the benefits of face-to-face interactions. But first, we have to get this pandemic under control to allow some sense of normality to return to people's lives. Our focus continues to be on ISIN, CFI, and FISN coverage, as well as further inclusion of the LEI into the ISIN record. Just to share some of the key files we're working on, the ISIN standard itself underwent a revision and was formally published in February of 2021. So as a next step, we are working with our members towards the implementation plan. The new ISO standard for UPI, the Unique Product Identifier, is under development. We were working on that project to ensure that it's deliverable to the regulatory community. And lastly, we also have a key product enhancement plan regarding our ANA Service Bureau. We have a project ongoing with our partner organizations to revamp the technology and adopt it to new cloud storage, and that's planned for phase 1 launching in Q4 of 2021. ANA was very pleased to have been selected the best reference data newcomer in collaboration with the Global LEI Foundation. The ISIN-LEI mapping initiative, today we have 22 numbering agencies participating, and that's covering 26 jurisdictions. We have about 5.8 million securities mapped to LEIs, and that's about 72,000 unique LEI entities. The idea behind the initiative stems from the 2008 financial crisis, and that stemmed the need for data mapping of entity relations to instruments, and it's a good illustration of the collaboration that can be done for the good of the market. MiFID started the need for issuers to have LEIs, and this has now continued to be embedded in additional regulations such as the CSD regulation. So ISO itself creates standards, and the linkages between standards are created as value-added ideas from this point. So the ISIN standard revision, which I referenced earlier, will create an even closer linkage and dependency on the need for the ISIN LEI mapping.